Welcome to the Oceanfront Builders channel. If you're looking for practical, no-fluff construction advice, do us a favor and hit that like and subscribe button right now. Today, let's tackle a topic that can make or break a project in Southern California. Working with your HOA during a remodel. Get this wrong, and you're looking at fines, delays, and major headaches. Get it right, and it's a smooth process. Here's how to do it right. First, become an expert on your community's rules. Before you even call a contractor, get a copy of your HOA's CC&Rs and architectural guidelines. Read them, all of them. Pay close attention to rules on approved paint colors, window styles, fencing materials, and even landscape changes. Don't assume anything is okay. Second, prepare a bulletproof application. Your HOA's Architectural Review Committee needs a complete package. This isn't just a simple form. It means providing detailed plans, material lists, color samples, and your contractor's license and insurance information. The more professional and thorough your submission is, the faster it gets approved. A weak application is the #1 cause of delays. Third, communicate early and often. Don't just throw your application over the fence. Talk to your property manager or a board member before you submit. Ask questions, clarify the process, and build a positive relationship. We actually have a pre-submission checklist on our website, Oceanfront.Builders, that helps our clients prepare for this exact conversation. It makes a huge difference. Fourth, manage the job site like a pro. Your HOA's biggest concerns are noise, parking, and cleanliness. Make sure your contractor understands the rules for working hours. Designate specific spots for parking and material storage. And ensure the site and the street are cleaned up every single day. A tidy project keeps the neighbors and the HOA board happy. Finally, get the final sign-off. Once the work is done, don't just call it a day. Formally notify the HOA and request a final inspection or a written notice of completion. This closes the loop and protects you from any future claims that the work wasn't approved. Navigating an HOA is all about preparation and communication. Follow these steps, and you'll keep your project on track and on budget. Found this helpful? Hit that like button and subscribe for more real-world construction tips. If you're ready to start your remodel in Los Angeles or Orange County, the best way to reach us is by phone at 888-336-8586 or through our website at Oceanfront Builders.